In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to hit Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Choose Google Password Manager. Tap on the password you wish to delete and enter your current login method. Now hit Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!